Hello everyone, this is the 2007 Jetta Wolfsburg edition. A couple of you had questions regarding the issues that we have listed in the post, so we're going to detail those now. This is the exterior of the car. Everything looks good on the outside if you look closely. There is a moon roof on top. So we'll take a look around and then show you the interior, where we've listed a couple of the things that are going on. Go ahead and open this now. Okay, so on the inside, if you look at the dash, everything is in good shape. As mentioned before, this is a manual transmission, 5-speed. And there is an issue going into second, but we'll show you what's going on with that later. We also mentioned in the post that the seats are in good condition, leather seats, very clean. However, there is some issue going on with the headliner where it's coming down in places. You can see that. It looks as if the previous owner might have tacked it, but there are kits to replace that for approximately $40, or you can take it to a professional for a little more. The price is reflected in the cheap price that we already have for it, so you should be able to have enough to get that fixed. What we'll do now is go ahead and take a test ride so you can see that it does still drive even though it doesn't go into second gear. As we stated, the mileage is 105,000, so pretty low. A couple of indicators on there for a bulb. The radio does work.
Time for a target run.
Also, the AC works. So we're going to go ahead and test it out now. Pardon my driving, it's been a while since I've driven a stick. Okay. All right. Going into first now. Okay, so we're in first, sounds good. I try to shift to second, I just can't. You can pick up third. I'll do that again just so you can see it in a while here when I turn around. We're going to go into fourth. Shift smoothly. I'm not sure if I'll make it to fifth in the neighborhood, but the other gears shift smoothly, so you will be able to drive it. I'll turn around here. Start over again in first just so you can kind of... Okay, there. Straighten to third. So as you can see, it's still drivable. If you guys have any other questions, please don't hesitate to let us know. Thanks for your interest.